Things are heating up here at the Fire Academy. Did you know about all the different classes they have to offer?
We run a variety of classes, not only for our firefighter students, our emergency responders, rescue squads, HAZMAT technicians, and also our special ops classes. For firefighting, we have strip mall fires outside, house fires, apartment fires. They can also come inside and take classroom time and get certified in fire official, fire inspector. For our HAZMAT responders, we have classes responding to propane emergencies, flammable liquid emergencies. There's a lot of variety classes that we run at the Fire Academy.
For more information on classes, visit our website and search Fire Academy.